Hi, I'm Sara and I'm a photographer and a video maker. For my job, it's essential to shoot with the perfect tools, have total control of the lights, and have the possibility to recreate it for every product. Orbit View is perfect for doing so, both for photography and video. I used to shoot with classic setups, but with Orbit View, once the workflow is set, I can improve my results and get quality shot, regardless the perspective. Here in CLX Europe, we use the complete solution that Orbit View offers to shoot from the tiniest product like jewelry to the biggest one like ready-to-wear on models. Since Orbit View takes away the stress of managing lights and background, I can concentrate more on the details of my work. Thanks to this partnership between Orbit View and CLX Europe, we can provide our clients better and faster results.